All right, an explosive turn in the case of a Newport Beach doctor and his girlfriend accused of drugging and sexually assaulting several women.
It's the latest in a twist in a 2-year legal battle that has been swallowed in controversy, with the judge even taking the case away from the Orange County District Attorney's Office when then newly elected DA Todd Spitzer tried to dismiss all charges against the couple, accusing his predecessor, Tony Rackauckus, of overreaching in the case for political reasons.
Let's go down to Christina Gonzalez live in Santa Ana, who explains what the Attorney General is now proposing. Christina.
Yeah, the Attorney General is in charge now, and they surprised even the judge, and not in a good way. What they want to do is completely withdraw the cases of 6 of the victims, keep only 1 victim and only 1 charge, and that would be assault with the intent of committing a sexual offense while drugging the victim to incapacitate her. That's it.
I've been doing this for 32 years. I've never seen a case like this before.
The attorney for one of the victims in the explosive case against reality TV surgeon Grant Robichaud and his girlfriend Sarissa Riley, they have been described as sexual predators by prosecutors who claim they preyed on vulnerable women, drugging them and taking them back to their Newport Beach home to sexually assault them. Both have pled not guilty in a case that has gone on for over 2 years, but took a surprising turn in this latest hearing when prosecutors asked the judge to dismiss sex charges on 6 of the victims, focusing their case around only 1 woman.
We are keeping charges as to Jane Doe 6, including one of the original charge, which was assault to commit a sex offense.
Mike Fell represents victim number 4, whose case would be dismissed.
Obviously, the victims are not in favor of this. The victims object to this. The Attorney General's position is that they've reviewed everything. They do not feel that they can prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt as it relates to 6 of the 7 victims.
In court, Robichaud seemed to actually smirk, while Riley became teary-eyed as Judge Steve Bromberg said the case was becoming a never-ending story and asked prosecutors to file paperwork explaining why they wanted to do away with the cases of all but 1 victim.
Our position is allow the victims to testify, allow the victims to be confronted by whatever the prosecuting agencies believe are the problems in the case, and let's determine whether the case can go forward from there.
Now, the prosecutors can actually present, they have about 3 weeks to present their case, their reasons. And the judge at one point even told them that if they can't handle the case, he can always appoint another prosecutor, an independent prosecutor. So we'll have to see what happens here. Live in Santa Ana, I'm Christina Gonzalez. Back to you guys.
So, Christina, it sounds like the attorney for at least that 1 victim is saying it's about the evidence or lack of evidence they can prove in court there. So if the judge approves this, what happens to the sentence then for the 2 accused?
You know, if he approves this, and I remember the case, I covered them. I covered this when it happened. They would be taking away any enhancements for guns, for kidnapping, any actual sexual assault. So definitely it would take away anything like life in prison, possible death penalty. It would reduce it. If found guilty, they would spend some time in prison, but not what these victims would have wanted to see.
Yeah, we have talked to some of them here on Fox 11. Okay, Christina, thank you. It's a case we've been watching for about 2 years now.
Yeah, all right. Let's